Hey everybody, this is Jason with Boundless Home Solutions, and today's video is for people with hair and bathtubs. Or if you have a bathtub and you live with somebody with hair, it'll also be helpful. If neither of those things apply, then maybe you can skip this video. Or if you want to stick around to see just how gross it can get, that's fine too. But I'm going to show you what happens when hair gets in your bath drain and what to do to get it unclogged. So here we have the bathtub drain, and the drain is open, but there's still water. It's not draining down. So we're going to need to get this unplugged. And first we have to get this stopper out of here. Otherwise it's very difficult to get inside the drain. So this one in particular, this top piece unscrews. Takes a little bit to get it unscrewed. All right, got to hold the bottom part and unscrew this top part. Set that aside, and there's a piece in here. You just take a flathead screwdriver, and this is a spring-loaded piece, so you have to be kind of careful to keep the pieces. Okay, so this whole piece screws down in there. And the hair just gets clogged around this drain part here. It's got a little cross piece in the drain, and that just collects everything that goes in there. And this drain looks like has tried to be unplugged with a couple of different things. This is one product that normally has little jagged teeth on this piece, and you stick it down in and pull it out. As you can see, the teeth are all gone, so that didn't work very well. Looks like this was also used in here, one of these little grabber things. This can work sometimes, but a lot of times what's in there is slippery and slimy and gross, and these teeth don't really hold onto it very well. So I'm going to show you how to use this product, which is called a Drain Weasel, and it's actually a little replaceable end that you can buy, and it's got little spines on the end here, and you put that down in, and it's nice and flexible, so it can go through the P-trap and everything. But that winds the hair around that piece, then you can just pull it out. And sometimes if that doesn't quite do it, you can also use a pair of needle nose pliers to get some of the bigger chunks out. So we're just gonna put this down in and wind it up just a little bit. Oh, yeah, this is where viewer discretion is advised. This can get kind of gross. And depending on if you want to touch it, you can put gloves on. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. The best part about doing work like this is that you can wash your hands when you're done. So you just get that out of there. And you might have to do it a couple of times to get that all out of there. But that's already going to make a big difference from what I can see. And we'll just go, make sure we go all the way down as far as we can and get anything that might be stuck in there farther down. Stick it in there and spin it around a little bit. Okay, got a little bit more. And once you get it mostly clear, you can run some water down it just to kind of make sure that It's draining like it's supposed to. So that seems to be working. That seems to be working really well. So now you just screw this piece back in and put it back together, and you're good to go. So it's a little gross, I'll admit, but it's not that scary. It's a pretty easy job, and it's pretty quick, and you can get your drain working like it's supposed to. So now that we have that screwed back in, you can try the plug, make sure that's working like it's supposed to. It's keeping the water from going down, and then you can release it and it drains like it's supposed to. We are back in business.